When you eat yogurt, digestion begins as your mouth breaks it down, before swallowing sends it toward your stomach. Inside your stomach, acid and digestive enzymes break yogurt proteins apart. Muscular contractions mix the food with stomach fluid. The partially digested yogurt enters your small intestine, where enzymes continue breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into nutrients your body can absorb. Across the intestinal lining, digested nutrients enter your blood and lymphatic circulation, ready to be transported throughout your body. Farther along, yogurt's live cultures enter the gut environment, where they interact with the many microorganisms already living in your intestine. After yogurt passes through your gut, nutrients are absorbed while your gut continues supporting digestion and its microbial community. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.